Welcome to the series of educational videos for the MS21+ system. What is the MS21+ system and what is its purpose? The abbreviation MS21+ indicates a monitoring system for the administration and monitoring of operations financed by European Union funds. The video you are now watching presents the ISKP21+ portal. The ISKP21+ is a web portal intended for the applicants and beneficiaries of aid from EU funds, as well as external evaluators and other types of users. The video will introduce the ISKP21+ portal, its purpose and orientation, describe the basic controls of the portal, and show the minimum hardware and software requirements of your computer for work in the ISKP21+ portal. The video is divided into thematic chapters. You can skip to the selected theme. The ISKP21+ is a web portal that allows the subsidy applicants handle all paperwork electronically from a single site. The system is accessible via the internet address iskp21.mssf.cz. The ISKP21+ portal is available in 3 language versions: Czech, Polish, and English. You can switch between the languages using flag icons in the upper part of the screen. The login page contains links to useful information about the web portal as well as important notices. FAQ, or Frequently Asked Questions, are help topics about the project administration, controls, and functioning of the ISKP21+ portal. For instance, you can find manuals and guidelines there. Now let's move from the FAQ form by clicking on the Hardware and Software Requirements tab. The form shows minimal hardware and software requirements for your proper and trouble-free work in the ISKP21+. The form displayed allows testing your browser's compatibility by clicking this link. A new tab opens in your browser after clicking, and automatic check is launched. If the browser meets all conditions, a green tick appears next to the items checked. It is also possible to check the electronic signature certificate as part of the browser compatibility check. In case the compatibility check is not successful, we recommend trying to fix the problem manually at first. To do this, you can use documentation introduced in FAQ. If you are unable to fix the problem, please contact the user support. The user support contact details are shown in the lower part of the login page. You can return to the login page by clicking the Introduction button in the left upper part of the screen. You can log in the ISKP21+ by entering the credentials of a successfully registered user account. Registration and login processes are addressed in the educational video Creating an External User Account and Login. After logging in, the home screen, or notice board, appears. The upper part of the screen contains flag icons for the language selection. The right side shows the name of the logged user, countdown to automatic logout in case of inactivity, and the manual logout button. For safety reasons, a user is logged out automatically after 60 minutes of inactivity. The countdown is restarted by activities in the ISKP21+ portal. The button bar with the Applicant, Evaluator, Integrated Instrument Holder, User Profile, and Help buttons are located under the page heading. These buttons are called modules. The modules are sets of screens and forms for the given thematic area. The User Profile module serves for the account settings. Using the Personal Data form, you can change your personal details. The Help module contains a brief explanation of selected terms for the active screen. Located under the modules, the navigation bar informs you on what form you are currently located. The left side of the notice board contains quick links such as FAQ, hardware and software requirements, but also links to forms with tasks or notes. The main part of the notice board form consists of received dispatches. The notice board shows all received dispatches regardless of their foldering. Dispatches serve as internal messages or emails, a simple communication tool between the MS21+ system users. They are primarily utilized for the communication between the applicants, beneficiaries, managing authorities, and intermediate bodies. The user's internal dispatch address is generated automatically upon registration. Dispatches support notifications, that is, messages sent outside the MS21+. As a standard, notifications about new dispatches are used. Notifications can be set up in the User Profile module on the Contact Details form. The communication channel for notifications can be set after opening the form. You can select notifications via SMS, email, or both. You can change the notification channel anytime. Notifications contain basic information about the sender, subject, and text of the dispatch. The following section introduces the selected forms and their elements. The ISKP21+Portal is divided into forms. Each form contains two basic elements: list and detail. The list is a table that displays records in several columns. Filters can be used in the list. The column order cannot be changed. The records can be filtered using the filtering line with the funnel symbol. The funnel contains a list of values that can be used for more precise filtering of the records. You can also filter using placeholders, for instance, an asterisk for the contains value. And it is possible to filter in several columns simultaneously. The detail contains the individual fields and buttons relating to the selected record from the list. The ISKP21+Portal uses various types of boxes. The boxes can be mandatory and optional. Mandatory boxes are highlighted in yellow and indicated with an exclamation mark. Gray boxes are optional, and white boxes are filled in automatically by the system. Users cannot edit boxes which are filled automatically. The most common data fields in a form are text field. If filled with a text or numerals, the character count allowed is always displayed on the right above the text field. If an invalid value is entered, the system will highlight the content in red. Calendar. This is a data field where you can use the calendar to select a specific date to be entered in the field. You can browse the calendars by days, months, and years. Attachment field. The button serves for attaching a document to be uploaded to the active form. The allowed formats and sizes are introduced in FAQ. The checkbox can have three values: yes indicated by a green tick, no indicated by a red cross, and a blank value. The values change upon each click in the checkbox. Selecting from a code list. This type of box contains a list of arranged values. A code list can be distinguished by a list icon next to the box. The icon serves as a button that allows displaying the permissible values. After selecting, the value is displayed in the box. Thank you for watching. In case of difficulties or complications, you can contact the user support by sending an email to potpora_ms21@ms21.mssf.cz or by calling to the telephone number +420 800 203 207 on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.